Welcome to the video. This is IlluMiNaughty, and today we're going to discuss using Tor browsers and remaining anonymous on, while surfing the internet. So basically we're going to start up, do this on our Windows machine, and we're going to open up our web browser. Doesn't matter which one you use, Google, Chrome, or Firefox, or Edge. It'll take a few moments here while it loads. And in the address bar, we're going to type in Tor project.org. Press enter. Okay, we'll click on download for Tor browser on the top. And we're gonna select the Windows version. We'll just let the download finish. Okay, so now that it is finished, we're going to wait for Windows to open the program. We're going to select OK for your language, or if it's different language, just go ahead and change it. I'm going to use the default directory. We're going to click on Install. And we'll click on Finish. This should automatically run the Tor browser. And you can see here, Start Tor browser. That's the browser that you'll use moving forward. And we'll click on Connect. Okay, so now that we're in our Tor browser, basically we can use DuckDuckGo to make any searches. It's basically the same as using Google search. Let's say, news. Now you would be able to explore or search the dark web using Tor browser. And also, if you go click on the three horizontal bars and go to options, you can change the privacy and security settings as needed for safer, safest, and standard. So basically, safer would disable any JavaScript from non-HTTPS sites. Some fonts and math symbols are also disabled. Audio and video HTML5 media and WebGL are click to play. And of course you have the safest. So I'm going to leave it on standard. Then I'm going to click on the three arrows. I'm going to click on add-ons. So if you click on add-ons, these are the add-ons that are already come pre-installed. You can search for more plugins as well as manage your plugins. You could also click on the cogwheel over here and then click on check for updates, view recent updates, install add-ons for files, debug add-ons, update add-ons automatically, and so on. So with that being discussed, if we go to this website, it's on GitHub. So we'll type in github.com/wild DYLAN/capital DARK capital NET. Press enter. This will get us to the GitHub with a list of all Onion sites. And now onions are basically, best way to describe it is that you as the client, as the user, basically are requesting information from, let's say, Google website. It'll actually transform the packets relayed through servers into another server, which would act on your behalf. Basically the terminology of an onion, which of course everyone knows onions has multiple layers. Same principle could be applied to using Tor websites and onion websites. So basically you can select a website and click on copy, and you can just paste and go. And you can always tell that you are connected securely and anonymously to the Onion site when you get the Onion icon that you see here. And basically you can rest assured that you are surfing the internet pretty much anonymously, and basically there's no way for you to be tracked. Now another thing I want to show, we go to the website socks-proxy.net. If you wanted to use a proxy in your browser, you can go to this website here. Give it a few moments, see if it loads. Let's see if we do another search. basically what I look here, see if we can find another website. And if we scroll down, here's a list of available proxies that we can send into. So if we click on the three arrow keys or the three horizontal lines, click on options. Click I use a proxy to connect to the internet. And let's say SOX4. We'll go ahead and copy the IP address and take note of the port number 4145, and we can paste. Port numbers 4145, I believe it was 4145, yes. And then save. So if we open up a new browser, just to make sure our settings is saved, because I had the window kind of squished here. Yeah, it did. We should be able to surf the internet using a proxy. So basically, as you see, we're now using the proxy and being able to surf the dark web. Again, this is only for educational purposes. I do not condone or